I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to guide you on how to delete Goodreads account. For that, first of all, open up your Goodreads app on your phone. After you open up your app, be sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on the 3-bar menu icon which is on bottom right of your screen. Go to Settings. Tap on Settings. There you'll see the option of Account. Tap on it. Now select Delete My Account. If you delete your account, reviews you have posted, your comments, the ratings, everything will be removed from the site. If you're sure you want to delete your account, tap on Delete My Account. A pop-up message will appear on your screen informing you that if you delete your account, your data from Goodreads will be permanently removed. Then tap on Yes, Delete My Account. This way you can permanently delete your Goodreads account. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.